you want to know how to transport a big screen TV without breaking it? Here are the best ways to pack a TV and move it, with or without the box. First of all, whatever you do, don't lay it down flat. You must keep it in the upright position. Flat screen TVs are designed to be right side up and vertical. The frame provides a lot of strength in that position, not so much in the others. Laying a TV down flat in a car or moving truck means gravity is working against it. Bumps along the ride might cause the center of the screen to bend, which can quickly crack and ruin the whole thing. That packing method also takes up a lot of floor space, and most people end up stacking things on top of it, which increases the odds of even more damage. So keep it in the normal vertical upright position, and it's more likely to get transported safely. As far as packing goes, the original box is your best bet. The original packaging for a TV is worth keeping for these occasions. Not only is it the perfect shape, but it comes with the right styrofoam and other supports to keep the screen protected. After all, it is what kept the TV protected when it shipped from the factory to the store to your living room. So it's built for these situations. If you don't have the original packaging, you can get an adjustable flat screen TV box instead, which I'll link below. Always use soft materials to insulate, like comforters or bubble wrap. In an absolute pinch, just wrap some thick blankets around the screen and secure it in place with other items. Whatever you do though, keep it upright and label the box to indicate which side needs to face upward. Don't try to move a TV by yourself either. It may not be that heavy, but the weight is distributed out really far, which makes it super easy to drop if you're by yourself. If you need a hand with it, pro movers are more affordable to hire than you might think. Check out HireAHelper.com to get local help instantly. If this video was helpful, give it a like and follow for more moving advice.